Nevsky Transformer Factory, Volkhov. It develops and manufactures the latest high-tech instrument, current and voltage transformers. The need to control the occurrence of single-phase earth faults in medium-voltage networks from 6 to 35 kV has existed for decades. This issue is especially relevant for isolated neutral networks, in which single-phase earth faults is not an accident and does not lead to equipment shutdown and network disconnection. Single-phase transformers are massively damaged around the world in isolated neutral networks due to the appearance of the ferroresonance effect. The processes that occur during ferroresonance introduce the voltage transformer into saturation mode, in which ultra-high currents arise that overheat the transformer, which ultimately ends in the failure of the equipment. This type of damage is widespread. Thousands of transformers around the world are damaged, especially in isolated neutral networks. The NTZ Volkhov team carried out numerous researches and developments and created a three-phase voltage transformer of increased stability in a single case made of epoxy compound. These are anti-resonance three-phase voltage transformers NALI-NTZ. The transformer of the NALI-NTZ series, in addition to all its characteristics, is completely protected against the ferroresonance effect. This transformer is not only capable of transmitting a measuring signal, but also serves to control the occurrence of single-phase earth faults for 6 to 35 kV networks, thus it fully implements all the function of traditional voltage transformers, while completely eliminating failure during operation. To confirm the anti-resonance properties, a test procedure was developed at the NTZ Volkhov factory and a testing laboratory was built to test voltage transformers for resistance to ferroresonance effects in 6 to 35 kV networks. This laboratory allows to simulate real emergency modes of voltage transformers operation, namely, arc single-phase phase-to-earth faults, not full-phase network operation modes, spontaneous displacement of the neutral. Testing equipment allows during testing to check the transformer for the appearance of harmonic and subharmonic stable ferroresonances. Let us give an example of testing voltage transformers for resistance to the most common cause of transformer failure, intermittent arc single-phase phase-to-earth faults. The laboratory setup for testing in this mode includes power 3-phase transformer 100 kVA, a set of network capacities, an arc phase-to-earth fault device, recording and measuring devices. To carry out the test, NTZ Volkhov specialists connected two types of voltage transformers to one network. The testing process is controlled by ammeters, voltmeters, an oscilloscope, and monitoring the temperature of both types of transformers using a thermal imager. The tests take place in real time. On the left half of the screen you can see the real view of the tested transformers, and on the right side a synchronous real-time picture of the tested transformers from the thermal imager. For clarity, the test time has been accelerated. From the very beginning of the test, the resistors, which are installed in the neutral of a three-phase group of transformers, are heated. The thermal imager allows to see the actual temperature of the hottest point on the test object. During arc faults to earth, an extremely high current flows through the primary windings of single-phase voltage transformers. It exceeds not only the rated current of the primary winding, but also the maximum permissible one. At the same time, voltage surges are constantly observed. These currents lead to a rapid heating of the resistors in the neutral of the transformers, which are primarily designed to reduce the effect of currents on the transformer windings. After some time, the first of the resistors fails. Following it, the first transformer of phase B fails. Due to the high current inside the transformer, the windings overheat and an internal short circuit appears. The transformer begins to heat up quickly enough and thermal destruction of the transformer case occurs. At this point, the test could already be completed, since an accident had already occurred on one of the 3 single-phase transformers, but the test was continued for clarity. After a short time, the phase A and C transformers fail. In addition, explosions of resistors continue. In the picture from the thermal imager, you can clearly see the initial places of heating of the transformers and the cause of their damage. At the same time, you can see that the voltage transformer NALI-NTZ easily withstands this mode. It warms up to 25 to 30 degrees and continues to work steadily at this temperature. At the same time, under these conditions, the transformer can work indefinitely. As a result of this test, all 3 single-phase voltage transformers and 2 resistors in the neutral of these transformers were damaged. The tests carried out clearly demonstrate the superiority of NALI-NTZ transformers over all other transformers that can control the presence of single-phase earth faults. Such high stability of the anti-resonance transformer NALI-NTZ is achieved due to the use of the latest special design, which consists of 2 transformers in one case. The first transformer is a 3-phase transformer made on a 3-rod magnetic core. The second transformer is a 0-phase sequence transformer, which is designed with a very high inductance margin, which allows it to withstand very high overvoltages and not enter saturation mode in any possible emergency operation mode. It is this transformer that compensates for all kinds of processes in the network, leading to the failure of conventional voltage transformers. In addition, the NALI-NTZ transformer has cast insulation, which gives it a great advantage over oil-filled transformers in that it can be used at facilities where there are high requirements for explosion and fire safety. In addition, cast insulation reduces weight and size and makes this transformer the most reliable and cost-effective robust voltage transformer. The NALI-NTZ transformer has repeatedly proven its reliability in the course of many tests, as well as in operation at thousands of electric power facilities. This transformer was tested for such impacts as resistance to single-phase phase-to-earth fault, non-full-phase network operation modes, when the transformer is affected by a voltage equal to 4 times U nominal, and other possible impacts without duration limitation. NALI-NTZ transformers are manufactured for all voltage classes from 6 to 35 kV. Anti-resonance instrument voltage transformers NALI-NTZ have no analogs. These are new generation voltage transformers that will inevitably replace old solutions. We are sure that the future belongs to them.